What's up, people? Today you fishing with Outdoor Connect, where we do all your outdoors activities. Today I'm out here targeting some big bass. I'm over here in the cold right now, so stay tuned. Yeah, people, again, I'm using black trick worm today. 7-inch mag worm on targeting this little area. I hope one come and get it for you. Black trick worm, baby. They go down. Stay tuned. Go. Yeah, man, we caught on the black trick worm. Fishing the grassy area. You know. Just slow popping that black trick worm. Slow popping it. Hanging over in that grass, all the grass that ain't died yet. Hanging over in there. Ooh, Lord. What's up, people? About to take it on in.